How's it going, you guys? This is Simply Joe. I'm chilling with Aaron, and this is another How To's by Bros production on how to do a backflip off the swing. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is sit down and then gain some momentum. Yeah, this is the fun part. I love this part. And you don't want to get too high, you know what I mean? Because you don't want to overextend, you don't want to overflip, but you want to be just enough to where you're comfortable and you can lean back and then let yourself go. You're just going to whip your legs over as you're coming forward. So I'll do it once in the motion, just like that. All right, now if we do it stationary, all I'm really doing is leaning back. That's really the whole movement. You're gonna need the momentum in order to get you up off of the ground. Really, you're just letting yourself fall backwards. So we do this one more time. Whole move, get a little bit of momentum, and then release. I am Simply Joe, and I'm chilling with Aaron. This has been another How To's by Bros production. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you next time. Make sure that you guys check the link in the description for my page. You can go ahead and subscribe if you want to. And make sure that you guys subscribe to this page's content too. We're going to have a lot of new stuff coming.
All right, thank you so much for watching that video. That was my awesome friend Joe. I really hope you enjoy these tutorials. Guys, I want to talk about something real for a second, is depression and pornography. I used to struggle with depression, and a lot of that was due to pornography, I believe, because it's such a high spike of dopamine and then it's a drop off, and it's definitely not easy to overcome. It's addicting, guys. It's more addicting than a lot of hard drugs, to be honest, because you can't get those images out of your head. So like, if you're struggling with depression or pornography or even anxiety, I just encourage you to let somebody know you're struggling. And feel free to check out the link in the description for my Instagram as well. You can check out, I do a lot of Instagram videos on, talking about loneliness, anxiety, depression, all that kind of stuff. So thank you so much for watching this video, and God bless. Have a great day.